Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have 4 saving account plans. We're asked which of these would yield exponential growth for the account. So let's just say we put in $100 at the beginning. Let's see how each of these would grow over time. So for A, each successive year, 2% of the initial savings is added to the value of the account. So 2% of 100 is $2. So $2 is added to the value of the account every year. This is not exponential growth. There is a rate of change, 2, which is constant, and therefore this is a linear growth. It's going to go from 100 to 102 to 104 to 106 and so on. The rate of change is not going to change as time goes on. Each successive year, 1.5% of the initial savings and $100 is added to the value of the account. So in this case, we have 1.5%, so that would be $1.50 instead of $2. And $100. So every year we have $101.50, and this is added every year. Again, this is much more than this, but this is still, we're adding the same amount every year, so there's going to be a constant rate of change, which means this is linear growth. C, each successive year, 1% of the current value is added to the account. So 1% of 100 is 1. So the first year you'd be adding 1. But then, the next year, you'd be adding 1% of the current value, which, since we've added 1, is now 101. And now you take 1% of this number and add it to the value of the account. And this number, the growth in this next year is going to be slightly more, because 1% of 101 is slightly more than 1% of 100. It actually comes out to $2.10. And now, you're up to $103.10. And every year, this value is going to go a little bit bigger every time. And when your rate of change is increasing, that's exponential growth. So therefore, C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.